elevating our dedication to pioneering biosafety solutions. Escolifesciences proudly announces the launch of our latest addition to our new products, NSF certified Airstream Generation 4 Class 2 Type A2 Biological Safety Cabinet. This innovative biosafety cabinet sets new standards in performance and safety, engineered with ergonomic and green features, combined with super modern technology. Introducing the next evolution of the Airstream BSC, boasting its compact dimension allowing easier installation in smaller laboratory spaces. Enhanced with the new Senturion touchscreen controller, featuring a 7-inch screen with touch functionality suitable for gloved users, intricately crafted with smartphone-like intelligence and cutting-edge technology. Virtual alarms via 3D BSC diagram. With a sleek, purposeful design, the 10-degree sloped front optimizes user comfort. The AC2 NS G4 boasts a spacious usable area spanning 0.6 square meters. Choose from 2 sliding sash window models, 8 and 10-inch openings. Improved inflow grille design with full-length, stainless, raised armrest, strategically engineered to prevent obstruction and provide ergonomic working support. Easy-to-reach service fixtures and sockets. Ergonomics taken to the next level with expanded choices. AC2 NS G4 in S series that boasts stainless steel side walls, a spacious work zone with smoothly curved corners or recessed spill tray, and a user-friendly slope perimeter for hassle-free cleaning. Or opt for the E-Series for a touch of elegance, featuring glass sides and a multi-piece work zone designed for convenience, both with complementary features for easy tray lifting. Tray support beams for less vibration complemented by a work tray holder. Removable paper catch with optional pre-filter prevents objects from entering the blower plenum. ESCO AC2 NS G4 has specified modes for accurate functions. Normal mode, quick start mode, maintenance mode. Standby height activates standby mode, maintaining ISO Class 3 work zone cleanliness while the fan runs at reduced speed. DC ECM blower allows 70% energy savings with very low consumption at 197 watts. With auto compensation feature that secures steady airflow. The ideal light intensity of 1200 lux within the working area. Powered by industry-leading dimmable LED lights for unrivaled comfort and running at a mere 59.5 dBA noise level, enhancing work focus. Real-time airflow monitoring via the integrated airflow sensor. AC2 NS G4 guarantees unparalleled safety with dynamic chamber technology. Constructed with negative pressured walls, preventing contaminant leakage from the work zone. Manually sliding tempered glass that can be operated during a sudden power failure. Escolifesciences antimicrobial powder coating eliminates 99.9% of surface microorganisms upon 24 to 48 hours of exposure. And a top-tier filtration system equipped with Alpha technology. And there's an added bonus. The newly integrated remote Modbus for secured wireless access between the cabinet and external devices, with USB port to access cabinet data log and BMS connectivity. Get your lab the new NSF certified Airstream Gen 4 Biosafety Cabinet.